up, Bus Lady Crew? I'm back with another video. So today, y'all, we're gonna be frying some fish. Everybody favorite brunch, lunch, dinner, fish and grits and eggs. So we're gonna get this started. We're gonna use put our pot of water on. Put it up. We want cold water and wait till it heat up. Then we want to add that butter in there. This is how I cook my grits. You could cook your grits any kind of way, or you could follow this recipe. I use a little salt. Wait till that butter melt down. Use a little salt, and we get it popping. And then after that, boil it up a little more. We gonna add our grits in. We gonna stir the water first, cause that's how I know. I don't measure y'all, so y'all already know when y'all come on my channel. I do not measure. It's just by. I've been cooking for so long. It's about a feel of the hand. So, but you can go with the measurements on the box so you won't. But I just know when enough is enough. When I got enough water and when I got enough grits, because while I'm stirring, it gets heavier and heavier. So I know when I got enough water and I got enough grits for the water. So, like I said, the grits get heavier and heavier when I'm stirring. And when I start to see them, when they start to look like they surfacing to the top, that's how I know it's enough. But anywho, just follow directions on the box, y'all. And then I'm going to turn that down and bring that to a slow boil. And then it's going to cook up like this. Real creamy. Real creamy. And then we're going to take some butter and milk. And that's how we're going to do that. And we're going to mix it in. We're going to stir these grits, honey. It's all about the flick of the wrist. And y'all just see me. I don't know what I did. So add more butter, like I said, and some milk. I mean, it's your preference. Whatever kind of milk you want to use. Today we're using 2%. Get whatever floats your boat, baby. If it don't give you gas and it do you just right, baby, use it. If you like almond milk, use your almond milk. If you like soy, whole, whatever you use it. But I'm gonna use this little cow over here. You hear me? So we're gonna stir this in here. Get it cracking. Get them real creamy, honey. They was already creamy, but I mean. And then at this point, you can add your some cheese in there if you want to, but not me. I'm not just yet. So now, while them grits over there slow cooking, real slow, we gonna add this vegetable oil, and we're going to let that get real hot. Y'all, like I said, I don't use measurements, a thermometer to know. I just know because I've been cooking for so long. Then we're going to use this fish seasoning. You can get this from like Save-A-Lot or like the meat market or something like that. And it's already seasoning. And then I just add cornmeal with it. It's already like a fish seasoned cornmeal, but you could use that or Xanax, whatever floats your boat, or flour. But I choose to use these right here. This how I like my fish, real crunchy, honey. And the key to it, the secret ingredient, is that mustard, honey. You could get you some mustard, and like I said, I don't season my fish because that fish seasoning that I just showed y'all already comes seasoned. And you don't want to over season, then you have some salty fish. Baby, I can't do no salty food. I like my food seasoned, baby, but I don't like no salty food. You hear me? So what I do is, like I said, I use the cornmeal in that season, and I give it all a shake, and then I'm gonna throw it in that hot grease, baby. You don't want it too hot that it burn it, and then your fish should be burned, get that burnt taste. You want it, see, look at that, them nice bubbles right there. That's how you know it's about to be it's about to be banging. It's about to hit. Like I said, you can use any kind of fish you want. I decided to use perch this day. The kids was wanting some perch, or you can use any kind of fish. You can use tilapia, you can use orange roughy, you can use salmon, and you can use red snapper, you can use any catfish, any kind of fish. My favorite fish, though, for real, y'all, is that black bass. Baby, listen. Bang. So, but I had to use what I had in the refrigerator, and I was just showing y'all how to make these fish and grits. Ooh, look at that. Don't that look good? I was seeing myself, honey. Like I said, you can eat this for dinner, for lunch, for brunch, for breakfast, whatever.